Hey, let's watch some TV. Oh no. Settings. Watching TV is easy. You turn it on, you watch. But you're probably doing it all wrong. Every display is full of settings that can make your life better. Let's start with the easy ones. Open up your TV's menu and look for the preset modes. It might be called picture mode. You'll see options like standard, calibrated, vivid, game. The first two are good tweaks for movies and games, but vivid's probably going to make your colors look a little crazy. Invariably, you should try them all. It's like adding Instagram filters to your TV. While everybody has their favorite look, calibrated, sometimes called cinema, or calibrated dark, tend to be the most accurate. Feeling confident? Let's take things up a notch. Most TVs let you adjust more granular settings manually, things like brightness and contrast and hue. Brightness is obvious. Contrast will adjust the balance between brights and dim parts of the screen. Hue, or tint, affects the levels of pinks and greens on the screen. Color, or warmth, is similar, but brings out more yellows, producing a warmer picture, or blues, producing a cooler image. And if you ever feel like you've done more harm than good, just revert to the TV's factory settings to start over. Now, let's get really serious. Deep into the settings menu, you might find the option to do some heavy lifting, like turning on HDR, or adjusting the display's gamma settings. If your TV supports HDR, you should turn it on, but be forewarned, that HDR setting is hard to find. It's almost never listed with the display settings, but you might find it in the About or Input sections labeled as HDMI something, like HDMI Enhanced or HDMI Color Subsampling. If you feel like you can't see details in the shadows, try turning down the gamma settings. That should fix it. Again, you can cancel all of these changes by reverting back to the factory settings. You should also be sure to turn off any motion smoothing effects that are supposed to make fast movements look less jerky. This software trick works okay for sports sometimes, but it gives movies and TV shows the so-called soap opera effect, which just looks weird and bad. The hardware you use to plug in a set-top box or Blu-ray player will inevitably make a difference too. Make sure you buy HDMI 2.0 cables if you own a 4K TV. This standard is required to get the full resolution. If you have an HDR TV, opt for the HDMI 2.0A cables to enjoy the full effect. Do make sure your set-top box supports these standards too. The latest Roku, Apple TV, and Fire TV models do, but older ones do not. These basic tips will let you enjoy a better, more beautiful, and more accurate TV experience. Hire a professional to calibrate your TV if you want, or just figure it out on your own. You know you want to.